Buy the wrong dehumidifier and you'll overpay. Dump the bucket nonstop or still feel damp. Here are the top 5 from budget to PRO. I'm evaluating these based on 3 key factors: how well they actually remove moisture, how convenient the drainage options are, and how easy they are to use day to day. Let's start with number 5. Number 5 is the budget pick, the Frigidaire 50 Pint Portable Dehumidifier. This Energy Star certified unit is perfect if you need basic moisture control without breaking the bank. The best thing about this model is its simplicity and reliability for standard basement use. The trade-off is, you'll be emptying that bucket more often since it lacks advanced drainage features. Verdict: solid budget choice for straightforward humidity control. Number 4. The GE Smart 50 Pint Dehumidifier with Wi-Fi. This one's ideal for tech-savvy homeowners who want remote monitoring through the Smart HQ app. The standout feature is being able to check and adjust settings from anywhere. Plus, it offers continuous drain capability. The downside is you're paying extra for smart features you might not need. Verdict: best value if you want smart home integration. Number 3. The Midea Cube 50 Pint Dehumidifier with its unique cube design. This compact unit is perfect for tighter spaces where traditional models won't fit. The game changer here is the larger water bucket, meaning fewer trips to empty it. The trade-off is the unconventional shape might not suit every space. Verdict: best choice for compact areas with maximum convenience. Number 2 is the premium Midea Cube 50 Pint with built-in pump. This targets homeowners who want set-and-forget convenience. The built-in pump eliminates manual emptying entirely by pumping water directly to a drain or window. The downside is higher upfront cost and slightly more complex setup. Verdict: excellent value for pump-equipped convenience. Number 1, our PRO pick, the Honeywell 50 Pint Dehumidifier with built-in pump. This powerhouse handles larger spaces and demanding conditions. What sets this apart is its robust build quality and superior pump system for truly hands-off operation. The trade-off is the highest price point in our lineup. Verdict: the ultimate choice for serious humidity control. Quick recap: Frigidaire for budget-conscious buyers, GE for smart home value, standard Midea Cube for compact convenience, Midea Cube with pump for drainage ease, and Honeywell as the pro pick for maximum performance. Links in the description with the current Amazon price.